How to transfer files between your phone and your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily transfer your files between your phone and your PC. So first thing, you need the application called Phone Link, which is right over here. And if you don't have this application yet, you can easily download your application via this Microsoft Store, available on both of the Windows. And from over here, simply open the application, that is Phone Link, and make sure you also open the application as well as sign in to your account on your mobile device at the same time, because later on you need to scan your QR code to continue your account in this PC. So I'll simply tap on this get started button over here. And as you can see, I've already connected my mobile device to this PC, so there's no problem for me. So I've already connected my mobile, so I can basically tap on this mobile device to easily use my mobile connected. So as you can see, now all I have to do to share the files or transfer the files between my PC and my mobile is I'll first simply head over to my file explorer on my PC, and for now I'll simply use this music folder to send any one of the music to my phone. So first thing what you can also do is always make sure you have opened your phone screen on your Phone Link application on your PC. And once you open it, now simply select any of the files that you want like to send. So just right click on it, and if you see this direct option, in most probably in Windows 11 you should get the direct option to send it via Phone Link, but as you can see it's not showing up for me. So I'll simply tap on this share button instead, just like this, and you can see there's an option directly available now to Phone Link, or you can also see my phone. So I'll just tap on this my phone, and it will automatically send it to my phone just like that. And as you can see, you can also see the confirmation notification that I just received the file from my PC over here on my device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.